Hello, I'm Diane Herbert. I'm the Dean of the Center for Academic Excellence. I'm happy to have this opportunity to speak with you about the different services offered through our department that will help your students not only transition to their first semester experience, their first year experience, but also to help them be successful throughout their undergraduate years at Hofstra University. Our department is located on the third floor of the Axon Library, and it's here that your students can come to meet with one of our staff to make a variety of different kinds of appointments that I'll tell you about, and to also to come to study and collaborate with their peers. One of the services that we offer through the Center for Academic Excellence is our peer-based tutoring. Our tutoring center is referred to as the undergraduate tutorial program. Hofstra actually offers tutoring through other departments on campus as well, like, for example, the writing center and the math tutoring center. And all of the tutoring that's offered to our undergraduate students is free of charge. Our department's undergraduate tutorial program offers approximately 100 different courses of tutoring opportunities. Some examples of the one-on-one tutoring options for students would include introductory level courses in the liberal arts, in foreign language and the social sciences and business courses, as well as many different upper level courses on campus. Courses within the sciences tend to be served through our drop-in group tutoring format. In these courses, collaboration is definitely a key element, and so students have the opportunity to work and share their problem-solving strategies and engage more with both classmates and tutors simultaneously. Students can also make success advising appointments in our department, and these appointments are meant to help students build their academic skills. Students can attend our workshops or meet with a success advisor individually to work on things like goal setting, short-term, long-term goal setting, to work on time management strategies, perhaps to help them balance their social and academic obligations, their family and work obligations. They can come to discuss their current study habits, things that sometimes might get in the way of their success, either personal habits or motivation, and strategies to address any of these concerns. Students can also meet with our staff to discuss academic concerns that they might face in their courses, to check in with us about faculty feedback, mid-semester feedback in their courses, to discuss their own personal academic strengths and challenges that they might be having, particularly as they transition from the high school course expectations to the more rigorous college course expectations. So these are all services that we offer, and these are reasons why students should come to the Center for Academic Excellence and meet with our staff. We definitely encourage new incoming students to meet with us for different times and reasons. Especially, it's important for them to check in with our office if they get any communication from us, any emails or phone communications suggesting that they meet with us. They would benefit from coming to speak with us to get advice on how to effectively communicate with their instructors, and then, of course, for the services that I mentioned previously. Our staff, my staff and myself, we are definitely excited to have the opportunity to work with your students in the upcoming semesters, and we want to congratulate them on becoming members of the Hofstra Pride. Very excited to meet with them. Look forward to seeing them, to seeing you on campus, and hope that you stay well and safe. Thank you so much.